How to remove song from Instagram post after you have posted it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can quickly and easily remove song from your Instagram post. Now if you have posted a post on Instagram with a song or a music, here is how you can remove it. Now first you want to open the Instagram app. You should get an interface like this. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen here, and you should be headed into your profile. Now in my case, I don't have any Instagram post with music, but suppose this one you have posted a song, and if you have posted an Instagram post with a music here, it should appear right here. Right now, unfortunately you won't get any option to remove the song or remove only the song from your post. What you have to do is you'll have to open the particular post that you want to remove the song from, and then tap on three dots option, and then you want to tap on simply delete option. You want to simply tap on delete, and first you can download it, and then you can delete it, and then you can add in again without music. Now this is the only way you can remove song from Instagram post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.